How to add logo showcase in Wix Studio. So if you want to showcase your clients or the brands that trust you, what you can do is you can add a logo showcase. To do that, head over to the Help site, and from in here you should be able to see in here their app catalog. Head over and click onto the search widgets and search in here for logo showcase. You can see in here this. Just head over and click on that. And then from in there, you can head over and then choose a template of how your logo showcase will look like. It can be an infinite carousel, infinite monochrome. It can also be a logo slider as well as logo grid, and also some other more templates that we can choose from in here. So for this case, I'll head over and choose in here this infinite carousel. Click on this continue with this template. Just proceed to add logos of brands that actually trust you by clicking onto this add logos. You can also add a header. I'll enable that and I'll input right here trusted by world known brands. Now from in here, once you're done with everything, you can also add a call to action or a button. And then from in there, click onto this publish option. Now, from there, it should be able to redirect you to the plan to choose. I'll choose in here the free plan, and it should be able to show you the code to install it. Copy it right here, head over right here again to your Wix, then click onto this plus icon right here in order to add a code. So let's head over and then click onto this, go to embed in social. Now from in there, click onto this embed code in order to add it into this particular part, or you can also just drag and drop it right around here. Now, once that's been added, you can proceed to enter the code. So click onto this enter code option, and then just input right here the code and click on update. From in there, it should be able to showcase right here this. So since it's not looking good right now, let's head over and open the inspector and then stretch it. From in there, click onto this responsive and click onto this stretch, and it should be able to appear right here. So if you have added logos, they should be able to appear in here as well. So that's how you add logo showcase in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.